Calculating a sentencing recommendation under the United States sentencing guidelines can be a complex process, as it involves multiple steps and factors. Here is a simplified checklist to help guide you through the process. Determine the base offense level. The base offense level serves as a starting point in your calculation. Locate the applicable offense guideline for the crime of conviction in the appendix of the sentencing manual. Apply specific offense characteristics. Review the applicable guideline to identify any specific offense characteristics that may apply. SOCs are factors related to the nature and circumstances of the offense that can impact the total offense level. Apply cross-references. Some guidelines may direct you to another guideline section based on certain facts or circumstances. If a cross-reference applies, follow the instructions and adjust the offense level as directed. Calculate adjustments for victim-related, role, and obstruction adjustments. Victim-related adjustments. Consider any adjustments based on the impact of the crime on the victim, such as vulnerability or degree of injury. Role adjustments. Consider any adjustments based on the defendant's role in the offense, such as whether they were an organizer, leader, manager, supervisor, or a minimal or minor participant. Obstruction adjustments. Determine if any adjustments are warranted for obstruction of justice, such as perjury, false statements, or destruction of evidence. Determine the adjusted offense level. Add or subtract all applicable adjustments from the base offense level to arrive at the adjusted offense level. Calculate the criminal history category. Using the defendant's prior convictions and other relevant criminal history, calculate the defendant's criminal history points, and determine the appropriate criminal history category, IV, as outlined in the guidelines. Locate the sentencing range. Using the sentencing table, identify the corresponding sentencing range by cross-referencing the adjusted offense level with the criminal history category. Consider departures. Determine if any grounds for departure from the guidelines exist, such as substantial assistance to authorities, diminished capacity, or other factors not adequately taken into consideration by the guidelines. Departures may result in a sentence above or below the guidelines range. Assess factors under 18 U.S.C. Section 3553(a). Consider the factors listed in 18 U.S.C. Section 3553(a), which require the court to impose a sentence that is sufficient, but not greater than necessary, to comply with the statutory purposes of sentencing. These factors may support a variance from the guideline range. Determine the final sentencing recommendation. Based on the guideline range, any departures, and the 3553(a) factors, formulate your final sentencing recommendation. Please note that this checklist provides a general outline for calculating a sentencing recommendation under the USSG. The specific details of each case may require additional analysis.